So the next thing that I want to do is I want to start templating my homepage. But before I do that, what I want to do is just remind us of our MVC structure so far. So if we look, this is our homepage. You can see we're visiting index.php in shop. Index.php is a controller. That's this file here. And all it does is it includes the homepage. So we include the homepage. And just like we included the homepage in the controller, we want to include templates into the homepage. So the first thing we can do is let's template our head. Okay, so I'm just going to take all of that and put it into a template. If you want different titles for your different pages, you might need to just template the inside here. But for me, I don't mind if all my pages have the same title. So I'm going to template the whole head. So I'm going to remove that. I cut it. And then in templates, I'm going to make a new file called head template.php, like so. Okay, head template.php, and I'm just going to place that HTML there and save it. And then in my homepage.php, I can just open PHP tag because I wasn't in PHP, and I can include the head template.php. Okay, it's not going to, and then close PHP. So it's not going to find that because I need to specify which folder it's in. It's in the templates folder. So I'll do templates. I think it would be /. Okay. So let me just double check on that. Okay. So what we're going to do is include, /templates /head template.php. Okay. So let me save that, and let's just go and check. Let's refresh the page and go and inspect the elements. We'll see the head is still there, but it's been pulled from a different file, which is this file here. Okay, so let's go and template some of the others as well. So let's go and template the header. So I'm going to cut that, make a new file called the header template.php. Okay, and open that up and put that HTML code in there and save that. So the point of templating is, first of all, for organization of code, and that you can reuse it on different pages. So I've got the header template there, and I will need to include that here. So I'm going to include the header template. Okay, then I'll do the same thing for the nav. So let's remove that and put it into a nav template. So let's create a new file and call it nav template.php. Okay, so open that up and put that in there and save it. Okay, so then what we'll do is in the before the main, we'll include our nav template, like so. Okay, the aside and the sections are specific for this page, so I'm not going to template those. But I am going to template the footer because that'll be reused on almost every page that I make. So let's cut that and let's make a footer template, like so, .php. Okay, and let's open that up and put our footer in there and save that. And then our home page will include that footer over here, like so. So we'll include the footer template. Right, so on all my pages, whenever I want the head, I just include that. Whenever I want the header, I include that. Whenever I want the nav, I do that. And whenever I want the footer, I just include the footer like so. So it means that I can change this code and it will change on every page where it's been included.